Hello everyone, and in this video I will compare Monzo versus Monese and we will see the general overview, safety, savings, spending money in UK, spending money abroad, the plans, user experience and the conclusion. But first please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's begin. Overview. Monzo and Monese, two innovative banking institutions originating in UK and established in the Financial Hub of London, share more than just their birthplace. Founded in 2015, both entities have significantly disrupted the landscape of digital banking in the past 6 years. They have undertaken the challenge of luring customers away from conventional banking practices, championing the transition to online banking alternatives. Safety. Monzo, functioning as a bank, extend the same level of safeguarding as conventional bank account by being a part of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme (FSCS). In the unfortunate event of Monzo facing insolvency, the FSCS ensures reimbursement of up to £85,000, mitigating any risk of financial loss within this limit. In contrast, Monese, often labeled as a digital bank, operates as an e-money institution, placing it in a category more akin to e-wallets like PayPal rather than Monzo. The absence of FSCS protection means there is a potential for financial loss in the event of Monese ceasing its operation. So for clear reason, in this round Monzo is the winner. Setting up. Setting up an account with either Monzo or Monese is a straightforward process, requiring just a few minutes for completion. The essential prerequisites for both accounts include an email address, a phone number, and an identification document such as passport, driving license, etc. However, due to Monzo banking status, proof of address is an additional requirement. In contrast, Monese does not necessitate this documentation. This distinction makes creating a Monese account a more convenient option for individuals without a permanent address, newcomers to the country, or those who have recently relocated. Monese wins the round here. Savings. Both Monzo and Monese provide dedicated saving pots within your account for the purpose of accumulating funds. While Monzo requires a paid plan for users to earn interest, the associated costs often outweigh the gains from interest. In contrast, Monese offers interest to free users. Monzo, although not offering interest on the free plan, presents a comparatively lower risk of financial loss when compared to Monese. However, it may not be the optimal choice for a saving account due to the absence of interest rates on the free plan. In this round, the clear winner is Monzo. Spending money in UK. You have the option to make free transactions in UK using either your Monzo or Monese card, with both cards featuring convenient contactless functionality tailored for smaller purchases. For added flexibility, both cards seamlessly integrate with Apple Pay and Google Pay, allowing for mobile phone payments. Notably, Samsung Pay is not supported by either cards. Both banking providers have set limits on complimentary ATM withdrawals. Monzo imposes a monthly withdrawal limit of £250 before applying a 3% fee, while Monese allows up to £200 in free ATM withdrawals per month with a 2% charge thereafter. In this aspect, Monzo holds a slight advantage with its higher limit for free ATM withdrawals. Other than that, both providers offer comparable features for expenditures within the UK. Spending money abroad. Monzo and Monese cater to international usage, with Monese distinguish itself by providing a multi-currency account, allowing users to hold multiple currencies simultaneously. This feature proves advantageous when engaging in transactions involving different currencies. Beyond this distinction, both Monzo and Monese stand out as the top choices for travelers. This seamless facilitation of spending abroad and competitive exchange rates collectively contribute to their acclaim as traveler-friendly accounts. In this round, the comparison is a tie. Plans. In the Monzo versus Monese comparison, both platforms provide paid plans, and while the notion of paying for a bank account may be debatable, it's worthwhile to explore what each offers for your investment. Monzo presents the classic plan £5 per month and the premium plan £15. Opting for the premium plan unlocks additional features such as phone insurance, family travel insurance, discounted airport lounge access, the ability to view other accounts within Monzo, lower fees, higher limits compared to the free plan, and various other functionalities. On the other hand, Monese offers three paid plans: Essential £1.95, Classic £5.95, and Premium £14.95. The Premium plan includes insurance coverage for accident, hospital stays, and unemployment, along with the purchase protection, lower fees, and higher limits in comparison to the free plan. Selecting the best paid plan depends on your specific needs. In the Monzo versus Monese comparison, no single paid plan stands out definitely superior to the others. It's a matter of aligning the feature with your individual requirements. So, also in this case, the battle is a tie. User experience. While maintaining objectivity, I must express a strong appreciation for the user interface of Monzo. Its cleanliness, ease of navigation, intuitive design stand out to me, although I acknowledge that Monese serves its purpose admirably. A notable advantage of Monzo is the incorporation of budgeting categories, a feature I found instrumental in facilitating my monthly budgeting process. Monzo takes the initiative to automatically categorize payments, providing users with a swift and comprehensive overview of expenditure distribution. In contrast, Monese offers users the convenience of linking their accounts to PayPal, particularly advantageous for those who frequently engage in PayPal transactions. The clear winner here is Monzo. Conclusion. Both Monzo and Monese stand out as commendable options for those seeking free digital current accounts. Managed through user-friendly app, these accounts offer easy accessibility and a plethora of features including fund management, payment facilitation, expenditure tracking, budget seeking, and the ability to save money. While the two offerings share numerous similarities, our analysis reveals that Monzo holds a slight advantage across several comparison criteria, making it our preferred choice between the two. It's worth noting, however, that the areas where Monese falls short are relatively minor, encompassing factors such as the not acceptance of checks, marginally lower limits for both foreign spending and UK ATMs withdrawals, the absence of a PIN account, and a charge for card delivery. If these aspects are not critical to you, intend use of a current account. Monese remains a robust and viable alternative. And there we have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.